I want to embed a video into this Google Doc. However, there is no native tool to do this. However, there is a trick you can use. Begin by uploading your file to your Google Drive. I then create a new slide. What I'm going to do now is click on Insert, and then I'm going to click on Video. As you can see, the video uploaded just now is there, so I'm going to click on it and click on Select. You don't actually have to position it very well because we're not going to be using this slide again. All we do is click on Control and C to copy it into Clipboard. Next, we return to our document and we click on Insert, and then we click on Drawing and New. And then while in Drawing, press Ctrl V to paste it in there and click on Save and Close. While this is not a truly embedded video, what it does do is give you a preview screen, and anytime you want to view it, you can simply double click on it and play it within the drawing area.